it has arrived. Let's go and find out if it has resistance. Because the key word of this episode is resistance. Peekaboo! Is it dunkel oder was? Lüge. Voila! Put it on to 6 p.m. and see if it has anything at all. The other one didn't have anything, so let's find out. Here, I'll try to film this too. How good of a filmer am I? Hollywood. Just kidding. Boom! Check. That was 1 and 4, 1 and 3. Now I'm checking 2 and 4. Boom! Let's install this. That's sitting nice and low. It's supposed to be dry outside. Now we're getting that. It's dripping already, and I'm supposed to work in the open here. I don't want to connect that. I want to connect the battery and drive it back because I want to take the sensor in the back out for the ride height. Yet. Out with the old, in with the new. Now I'm confused. Which one's the new one? That one. I want to see if there's any difference in the glass. I personally can't tell anything. That one had no resistance. I'm going to check that resistance again right away. New one. Okay, that's attached. Now I'm going to put the battery on. Seats down, attach the back one, and we'll see if we can start it. So that's still on. I'm going to go with my PC and see if I can delete it. I hope I can delete it. If I can't delete that, then honestly, at that point, I don't care about this car anymore, and I'm gonna build it into like a killdozer. When Diesel, I'm gonna outperform your dozer. Honestly, I'm already disappointed that it's probably not gonna go away because I'm scared. But it was broken. Let's go check the amps on the broken one again. Also, I just saw that my PCM is on again. It sounds nice in the cold. I would love to have it at that height. I think there's seriously something wrong with my steering though, because that PCM keeps coming back. But I'm gonna check all the brakes out, take all the 4 wheels off again. Once it's standing here, I want the back end under here. Okay, so I did check this with you guys on part 1, and there was no resistance. If I have a resistance here now, I'm gonna be confusion. What? So that's not the issue, but I don't get it. Like, I checked this thing probably like 5-6 times, nothing. My brother-in-law can definitely confirm that. Obviously that one's not gonna be... How? How? I'm so confused, so now where do I start? By driving it back into the shop and fixing it again. I mean, didn't expect different after finding out that the other one... I'm so confused. Frustrated. What to do? And the issue to the Porsche problem. I think I spent a good week looking for this. If like literally by hours, I mean, not like a day here, a day there. My own fault. I once said I never make mistakes, but I do. Skateboards. That right there is the SRS crash sensor. Spent weeks and weeks looking for why you guys saw. Stupid. I had that yellow sensor in my hand, the cable where that plugs into there, and I was like, it's probably for the headlight. Put the bumper on, get it done with. And now I'm like, I wanted to take the interior off apart, and I was like, probably missed something there, but I was like, I can't remember. But I was like, where else did I see those yellow cables? By the bumper. Makes sense. Passenger and driver's side. Open circuit. Duh. What I do not understand though is why that secondary voltage thing didn't show amps or resistance, but then all of a sudden it did. I checked it multiple times. I checked the videos over and over again, and I asked my brother-in-law yesterday. He's like, we checked it, like definitely nothing came through. At least we found something. May this be the issue. So this comes here, connected. Let's send it. Batteries connected. Didn't blow up on my face, so that's a good sign. Airbag light went off and on. I'm gonna try deleting it now. So the airbag light just went off by itself. I didn't even delete the code, I just read it. Got rid of that. That's really good.